Hey everybody, it's your boy, The Bearded, and I'm so glad you're here today as we take a deep dive into the world of natural allergy relief. Let's be honest, allergies are the worst, right? They can really drag you down and keep you from living your best life. But what if I told you that you don't have to suffer through allergy season? What if I told you that Mother Nature has already provided us with powerful herbs and essential oils that can help alleviate those pesky allergy symptoms? That's what we're going to uncover today. 10 natural powerhouses that can make a world of difference. So if you're ready to ditch the over-the-counter meds and take control of your allergies naturally, grab your notepad and let's get right into it. First up, we've got peppermint oil, a superhero when it comes to battling congestion. It's like a breath of fresh air for your sinuses. Peppermint oil contains menthol, a natural decongestant that helps open up those airways and clear out the gunk. Now, there are a couple of ways you can use this powerful oil. You can add a few drops to a diffuser and let that refreshing aroma work its magic. Or, for a more direct approach, try adding a couple of drops to a bowl of hot water, drape a towel over your head and breathe in that steamy goodness. Just remember, folks, peppermint oil is potent, so always dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil or jojoba oil before applying it topically. Next up is another powerful essential oil, eucalyptus oil. If you're struggling with inflammation caused by allergies, this one's for you. Eucalyptus oil is known for its ability to calm those irritated nasal passages, and it can even help loosen phlegm. Much like peppermint oil, you can add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to a diffuser to help open up your airways. Another great option is to add a few drops to a hot bath and soak in those soothing vapors. It's like a spa day for your sinuses. However, a word of caution. Eucalyptus oil can be a bit intense, so always start with a small amount and see how your body reacts. Now let's talk about lavender oil, the queen of calm. When it comes to allergies, lavender oil can be a game changer. Not only does it have amazing anti-inflammatory properties, but it can also help reduce histamine response. That's the pesky chemical that triggers your allergy symptoms in the first place. One of the best ways to experience the calming benefits of lavender oil is through aromatherapy. Add a few drops to your diffuser, especially before bedtime, to promote relaxation and better sleep. You can also mix a few drops of lavender oil with a carrier oil and apply it topically to your temples, chest, or pulse points for a sense of calm. Just remember to do a patch test first to make sure your skin doesn't react negatively to the oil. Chapter 4. Butterbur, nature's answer to nasal relief. Alright, moving on from essential oils, let's explore the incredible benefits of butterbur, an herb that's been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. When it comes to allergies, butterbur can be a true lifesaver, especially if you're battling those stubborn nasal symptoms. This powerful herb has been shown to be as effective as some antihistamine medications in reducing nasal congestion, runny nose, and itchy eyes. You can find butterbur in supplement form at most health food stores. Just make sure you choose a reputable brand and look for butterbur extracts that are labeled as PA-free. This means they've been processed to remove pyrrolizidine alkaloids, or PAs, which are naturally occurring toxins found in butterbur that can be harmful to your liver. Chapter 5. Stinging nettle. Don't let the name fool you. Now, don't let the name fool you. Stinging nettle, when prepared correctly, can be a powerful ally in your fight against allergies. While the plant itself might give you a little sting, stinging nettle, in tea or supplement form, acts as a natural antihistamine. It works by reducing the amount of histamine your body releases, which in turn can help relieve those pesky allergy symptoms like sneezing, itching, and congestion. You can find stinging nettle tea at many health food stores. Just steep a tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy. If you prefer supplements, stinging nettle capsules are also available. Chapter 6. Quercetin, the Flavonoid Fighting for you. Let's talk about quercetin, a powerful flavonoid found in many fruits and vegetables. Now, flavonoids are basically plant pigments that have amazing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Quercetin, in particular, is a rock star when it comes to fighting allergies because it helps stabilize mast cells which are responsible for releasing histamine. By stabilizing these cells, quercetin can help prevent the release of histamine and reduce the severity of your allergy symptoms. You can find quercetin in foods like apples, onions, berries, and green tea. Or if you want an extra boost, quercetin supplements are also available. This next one is a favorite, especially for those who love a touch of sweetness in their lives. Local honey, my friends, is not just delicious, it can also help build up your tolerance to local pollen. The idea behind this is that by consuming small amounts of local pollen in the honey, you're essentially giving your body a chance to get used to it. Think of it as a natural form of immunotherapy. Aim for about a teaspoon of local honey a day, either straight off the spoon or added to your favorite beverage. Just make sure you choose raw, unprocessed honey, as it contains higher levels of pollen and other beneficial compounds. Chapter 8. Turmeric, the golden spice for allergy relief. Let's move on to another culinary hero, turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice, a staple in Indian cuisine, is a potent anti-inflammatory, and it can be incredibly helpful for managing allergy symptoms. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties are mainly attributed to its active compound, called curcumin. Curcumin works by blocking certain inflammatory pathways in the body, reducing the release of histamine and other inflammatory chemicals. You can easily incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to curries, soups, stews, or even smoothies. And if you're feeling adventurous, try a turmeric latte with almond milk and a dash of cinnamon. Chapter 9. Ginger, soothing the stomach and those allergies. Next up is ginger, another culinary superstar with a long history of medicinal use. Ginger is well known for its ability to soothe nausea, but it's also a powerful anti-inflammatory that can work wonders for allergy relief. It helps to block the production of leukotrienes, which are inflammatory chemicals that contribute to allergy symptoms. You can enjoy ginger in many ways. Steep it in hot water for a soothing ginger tea, add it to stir-fries or smoothies, or even chew on a small piece of fresh ginger for quick relief. Chapter 10. Chamomile, a soothing cup for allergy relief. Last but definitely not least, we have chamomile, a gentle yet effective herb that's been cherished for centuries for its calming and soothing properties. Chamomile tea is a popular bedtime beverage because it promotes relaxation and sleep. But did you know that it can also work wonders for allergy relief? Chamomile contains an antioxidant called bisabolol, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic effects. It can help reduce the release of histamine and soothe inflammation in the airways, providing relief from allergy symptoms. So the next time you're feeling those allergy troubles brewing, reach for a warm cup of chamomile tea and let its soothing properties work their magic. So there you have it, my friends, 10 powerful herbs and essential oils that can help you combat allergies naturally. Remember, while these natural remedies can be incredibly effective, it's always best to listen to your body and consult with your healthcare provider before adding anything new to your routine, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or taking any medications. If you're ready to take control of your health and explore the power of natural remedies, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might be struggling with allergies too. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep those allergies at bay.